Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 6 from exercise number 3.1. Our question is, find the angle of x in the following figures. This is the first diagram given to us. They have given three angles, 120, 130, 50. We need to find the value of x. By looking at the diagram, we can't say what angle it will be. But by looking at the diagram, I can say that there are four sides in this diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four sides in the diagram. So number of sides equal to 4. So with the use of the number of sides we can find out angle sum. We can find the angle sum. That angle sum means addition of all the angles we can find out. Angle sum formula actually n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is a basic formula for all the diagrams, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here what is our n value? 4. So 4 minus 2 into 180, that is 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 360. So angle sum is 360 degree. That means if you add all the four angles, the answer should come to 360 degree. So sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degree. That we got it now. We are going to add all the angles from the diagram, 120, 130, 50. All the three angles given, 120, 130, 50 and x, which is equal to 360 degree. Now we are going to add now. So 120 plus 130, 250 plus 50, 300. This is a plus 300. If you take it into other side, it will become minus 300. So 360 minus 300 will give you 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 is the correct answer for the given diagram. So we'll move on to the next diagram now. Here x is equal to 60. The first diagram is over. We are going to the second diagram. Again, by looking at the diagram, we can say that there are four sides. So number of sides equal to 4. So n is equal to 4. Again the same procedure. Angle sum for this diagram also 360 only. For any quadrilateral, angle sum is 360 only. For any triangle, it is 180. For any quadrilateral, it is 360. So we can write it in the same way. So angle sum is equal to 360 degree you will be getting again. So here all the three angles are given. This is 60, this is 70. This angle they didn't give you. But this side they have given 90. This side 90 means definitely this side also will be 90 only. Because straight line is 180 degree always. So here 90 means definitely here also 90 only according to the linear pair. Now 60, 90, x, 70. These are all the four angles. So the angle sum is 360 again. So we are going to add it. 90 plus x plus 70 plus 60, which is equal to 360 we are getting. So 90 plus 70 is 160. 160 plus 60 is 220. 220 degree plus x is equal to 360 plus 220. If you bring it into other side, it will become minus. So x is equal to 360 minus 220 degree we can say. So subtraction 0, 4, 1. So x is equal to 140 degree. That is the correct answer for the given question. So look at this diagram, student. This is our C problem. Here this is a 5-sided figure. First side, second, third, fourth and fifth. 5-sided diagram. So before going to find the angle sum, we must find all the interior angles. Here the exterior is given as 70. Then what should be the interior in this place? We have to think over it. Here this is a straight line. Straight angle is always 180 degree. That is called linear pair also. Suppose we are taking a line. This side is 70. What will be this side means? We have to say 180 minus 70 because straight angle should come to 180. So whatever one angle is given, the another angle will be 180 minus 70 only. So here they have given 70 here. This angle we need to find out. So we can say that 180, this angle is, suppose let us take this is y and this is z. We are taking it to find the value. So here y is equal to, we can say that 180 minus 70 according to the linear pair. Linear pair means the angles which lies on the straight line is called the linear pair. So according to the linear pair, 180 minus 70 this will be. 180 minus 70 will give you 110. So this angle is 110. Now I need to find the Z value. So Z I can say that this is 60 means this will be 180 minus 60. So 180 minus 60 which is equal to 120 degree. Again the same condition, linear pair. Z is equal to 120 degree. So y is equal to 110. Here 110, here 120 we got it. Now we got all the angles. Now what is the number of sides? Let's go to the question now. So number of sides is equal to n, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-sided diagram. So we need to find the angle sum also. So angle sum of all the angles, we have a formula that is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now n value is 5 we have. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So n minus 2 is 3 into 180. We should multiple now actually. So 3 into 0, 0, 3 8s are 24, balance to 5. So 540 degree is the angle sum. So that means sum of all the 5 angles is 540. So sum of all the angles which is equal to 540 degree, that we got it now. Now sum of all the angles we have to take it from here, that is 30 degree x plus y and z. Y is 110, z is 120. So we can say that 110 plus 120 which is equal to 540 we can write. Now we should add all these three numbers together, x together. First x plus x will come to 2x degree plus 120 and 110 and 30. 110 and 120 will be 200, 230. 230 plus 30 will give you 260 which is equal to 540. So the plus 260 and bring it to that side, that will become minus. So 2x degree is equal to 540 degree minus 260 degree we can say. Now we need to subtract, normal subtraction. So here 540 minus 260 we are subtracting. 0 from here 14, 8, 4, 2, 280. So 2x equal to 280 degree we are getting. I want to get only the x value. So the multiplication 2 is going to that side, that will become division. 280 by 2. So x is equal to 140 degree. So that is your x value. Exact x value is 140 degree. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.